What is up guys, my name is Benjamin. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm back with another 10 iOS 11 jailbreak tweaks. This is part 4 of the series, so without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So of course, all of the download links to these tweaks will be in the description below, and if you are unsure on how to jailbreak and install these tweaks, I have made 2 different tutorials on how to install pretty much any tweak onto your phone, and also another one which basically shows the basics and also shows you how to jailbreak. So those video links will be in the description below and up right there. So the first tweak I'm going to show you guys is called YouTube Tools. Now basically this adds a lot of different features to your YouTube app without having to download the YouTube++ or SirCube or any of those tweaks. So you can choose when you watch YouTube videos that you can close the app and lock it and do everything, and it will still play what's playing in YouTube. You can also turn on no video ads, so you won't see ads in videos. You can turn off age restriction. You can select quality over 3G and 4G. So if you don't already know, if you're watching YouTube using cellular data, it will use a lower quality, so then it doesn't use as much data, but you can just turn that off by turning this toggle on. And the best thing is it actually works, and it doesn't look like you have anything installed in your YouTube app. This tweak does work, and you can do quite a lot of things with it. Now this next tweak is called StatusFolder. Now if you don't already know, when you open folders on your home screen, you don't usually get a status bar on the top of the screen, which sometimes you want to check the time while you're in a folder. I don't know why you would do that, but if you want to still get the status bar in the folders, StatusFolder can help you do that. So we go into any folder and we still get the time and everything up in the status bar. Now this next tweak is called SafariFullScreenScrolling. Now this allows you to have full screen scrolling in Safari. So we could just go into any website, and if you scroll down, then I'm on way more websites than I actually thought. What on earth? It makes Safari look a bit cleaner, and also you can view more content than you could before on the same page. So that I think is pretty cool. And this will be especially useful on smaller phones like the iPhone SE and the iPhone 5S and stuff like that. So this next tweak is called Instagram Down Image. Now this basically allows you to download any image on Instagram. Unfortunately, I haven't managed to make this work with video, but if we want to download a photo in Instagram, for example, when I download this photo, we just tap down here and it says save completed. We can scroll down a bit more. We can go and save this meme here because it's true. And then if we go into photos here, you can see these are the last photos we've just saved. So that's pretty cool. So this is a pretty cool tweak, especially if you find memes and something funny on Instagram. You can just tap down and it will download and stuff. So this is pretty cool. Just don't go and stalk people and download all their photos, because that's just not nice. But this does save you an extra step, because usually if you want to save an Instagram photo, you have to screenshot it and then crop it and stuff. At least that's what I used to do until I found this tweak. Now this next tweak is an iPhone 10 only tweak, and it's basically called AutoUnlockX. So when you look at your phone, you don't have to swipe up to unlock your phone anymore. You just look at it and it unlocks, and if you do have notifications, it won't actually unlock. Now this is very similar to a tweak I showed you guys the other day, which basically does the exact same thing. It unlocks your phone just by looking at it. But a problem with that tweak that I showed you guys the other day is every time you opened up the notification center or cover sheet, it would unlock automatically because it would think it's on the lock screen. But this doesn't do that, so that's very handy. So this next tweak is pretty cool. It's called MusicDockX or MusicDock10. So this basically allows you to have your music player in pretty much any app, and to activate it, you just swipe down from the bottom of the screen if you're on an iPhone 10, and this works in any app, so it could be in different apps and you can still have it. And to dismiss it, you just swipe down, and it's pretty simple. Swipe down again and it invokes it again. So that's pretty cool. And you do get a couple of settings in here, so you can shrink the height of the app when it's enabled. You can also turn on the true black background, so if you're on an iPhone 10, it will show true blacks and it won't use the pixels underneath the screen, which is pretty cool. And you can also enable use album colors, so whenever you listen to a track and it has a certain color in the album, it will actually match, the dock will actually match the color of the album. So as you can see here, forward, and it will actually change the background of the dock to match that of the album art, which I think is pretty cool. It kind of works like ColorFlow 3, but on the dock. So I really like this tweak because you're in an app, you want to go to the next track, there you go, and then you could just close it again, and it's pretty cool. Now this next tweak is actually pretty cool. It's called RealCC, and basically it allows you to literally disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and stuff like that from within the control center. So if we tap here, we just completely turn off Wi-Fi, and if we go into settings and we go into Wi-Fi, as you can see, it actually is off, because normally in iOS 11 it just disables it and then it reconnects to the Wi-Fi network after a certain amount of time. But this literally disables that, and you can also disable Bluetooth. It won't just disconnect from the device you are using. So if you found that a little annoying, you can fix it by using RealCC. So this next tweak is called CCBackground. Now this basically adds a background to your control center, which is pretty cool. You can also have a transparent control center if you don't add a background to it, but that is a little buggy, so I do recommend you add a background to it. So you can add anything you want in the background. You can add the wallpaper you're using. You can add pretty much any photo you want, and as you can see, sometimes it does show this bug where it doesn't have a background. In fact, if you don't put a background, this is what you will be seeing, and it's just stuck there until you lock the device and unlock it again. That's the only way you make it go away. But I think it's pretty cool because you can add a bit more customization in your control center. But still, even though it has a couple of bugs, it is a pretty cool tweak. So this next tweak is for the status bar, and it is called TapTime. Now basically this allows you to tap your time on your status bar and it will show you the date, and you tap back. So this is pretty cool because you just tap the time, it'll show you the date, and it'll be there for a couple seconds, then it'll switch back to the time. So this next tweak is for the lock screen. In fact, this is one of the only lock screen tweaks you can actually get as of right now, and it's called SimpleLS. Now this basically gives you a simple look for your lock screen, as you can see. So you've got the time on the top left here, and you've got your date and everything on the top right, which I think makes the lock screen look a lot cleaner. So if we go into the SimpleLS settings here, you can choose to show the weather widget, which for some reason doesn't show up for me. And you can also go into more here, and you can actually change a lot of it. You can have a 12-hour clock format. I don't know why I didn't have that on. But you can also hide the press to unlock, hide the media controller, and you could basically add quite a lot of stuff. And guys, that about brings an end to this video. Again, if you want to install any of these tweaks, all of the links to them will be in the description below, as well as a tutorial on how to install them. That will be in the description below as well, and up in the cards. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like these, be sure to smash the like button down below. And if you have any tweak suggestions or any video ideas of videos you want to see, let me know down in the comment section below as well. And of course, if you are new around here and you haven't already, smash that subscribe button down below and click the bell icon next to it, so then you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You can get to my videos early and you won't miss an upload. But for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Benji, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.